Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me iPhone 15 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to restore your iPhone using the backup in iTunes, local backup. To do it, you need to connect your iPhone to your PC when iTunes is enabled, is opened, and then iTunes will automatically ask you set up this iPhone like new or restore from the backup. Choose the backup you want to restore and click continue, and just wait a while. Great, that's it. As you can see, settings for your iPhone was restored, but now you don't need to disconnect your iPhone from the computer. So wait a while until your device will load. Okay, restore completed. Now our device will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi. Maybe I have forgot what it was at the backup, so maybe without the Wi-Fi password. Unfortunately, of course, it can't. Backup can't restore your Face ID. It's not possible. I don't want to use password, don't use the passcode, Apple ID required, but I wanna skip this step. I'm always skipping this step because I just recording videos. And great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.